12 Easy Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT, that anyone can do. Start now while ChatGPT is free for use. Making money with ChatGPT is currently one of the most buzzed about topics over the internet. Our article delves into 12 straightforward methods for monetization, with practical examples to guide you to success. ChatGPT, a remarkable AI chatbot, was crafted by OpenAI, with Elon Musk among its co-founders and Sam Altman leading as CEO. The AI is powered by GPT 3.5 technology and astounds with its human-like conversation skills. This innovative tool opens a world of opportunities for tech interaction and promises an exciting future. Disclaimer: this post may contain affiliate links. We may receive a commission when you click on them, but this is at no extra cost to you. Before using ChatGPT to make money, as a highly advanced language model, ChatGPT can effortlessly predict the following word and produce written content with remarkable accuracy. It has been trained to respond to human prompts through the use of RLHF, reinforcement learning with human feedback, an innovative extra layer that elevates the model's ability to understand and engage in natural language conversations. To effectively utilize ChatGPT, don't ignore the importance of providing clear, detailed instructions. You are not merely training the AI bot, but yourself in the art of asking the right questions and providing the necessary information. You must be diligent in reviewing ChatGPT's responses and adjusting your prompts accordingly until the desired outcome is achieved. To ensure the accuracy of ChatGPT's output, you can use the tool Originality.ai, currently in beta, to check for AI-generated content and potential plagiarism. Despite its power, ChatGPT may still produce information that is not entirely accurate. Always fact-check and make any necessary revisions. Beginner's Guide to Investing in the Stock Market, 10 Useful Tips. It's much easier than you think. Frugalforless.medium.com. 12 Best Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT. Let's dive into the 12 best ways to make money using ChatGPT. 1. Making videos with ChatGPT. With ChatGPT by your side, the sky's the limit when it comes to crafting eye-catching videos that can earn you some serious cash. Partner up with other cutting-edge technologies like Pictory, Speechify, Murph.ai and more, to create truly outstanding videos with ease. Thanks to AI technology, these programs can swiftly convert your long-form content into shareable, bite-sized video snippets, perfect for product demos, explainer videos, marketing materials and more. ChatGPT is the key to crafting the ideal script and video instructions to make the most of these technologies. Don't forget the voiceover, a crucial aspect of any video production. ChatGPT can craft the perfect script, and with text-to-speech software, you can turn those words into an expertly delivered voiceover in no time. Use it to craft professional-looking scripts and instructions and even generate keywords for better SEO. In just a matter of seconds, you can have a video script and voiceover ready to go. The more detail you add, the better the results will be. Remember, video production is in high demand. After all, people would rather watch than read. 2. Copywriting services. Crafting compelling copy can be a real challenge, especially when you need to churn it out day after day. That's where ChatGPT comes in handy, providing that spark of inspiration or breaking through writer's block. Whether you're creating persuasive content that converts or simply need a fresh perspective, this AI tool is a valuable asset. One of the unique features of ChatGPT is its ability to write using specific copywriting frameworks. This includes AIDA, PA and BAB. Provide prompts like generate a PA or write an AIDA and watch as the AI gets to work. This makes it easy to offer copywriting services, be it website content, ad copy or descriptions for products. So, whether you're a content creator or a professional copywriter, ChatGPT is here to help you streamline your process and generate high-quality copy faster. Say goodbye to tedious and hello to efficient and effective writing. 4 Tips to Save Money on a Tight Budget. Saving money is possible when funds are tight. Frugalforless.medium.com. 3. Create ebooks. Crafting a full-fledged fiction novel with ChatGPT is an effort that requires both time and collaboration. By effectively communicating your vision to the AI and continuously fine-tuning your prompts, you can transform your story into a captivating work of art. A prime example of this is the timeless genre of romance. Well-crafted romance tales have a reputation for being lucrative and possessing a predictable structure. Once you have a grip on the common elements and the leading character who steals the show, crafting a heartwarming romance novel becomes a breeze. But don't stop there. By pushing ChatGPT to its limits, honing your writing skills and embracing patience, you may just discover the key to producing best-selling ebooks at lightning speed. 4. Create business names and slogans. Generating names and slogans for your business is a breeze with ChatGPT. Whether you opt to follow a step-by-step guide or feed the AI model with specifics like your target audience, location, financial profile, etc., the model will churn out custom-made suggestions based on its training data. For instance, imagine you want to open a clothing store in the bustling metropolis of San Francisco. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to come up with 10 potential names and slogans. In mere moments, you'll have a list of options at your fingertips. But before you settle on a name, make sure to run a quick check on Google and social media to ensure it's not already taken. You can also perform a national trademark search for free online or look up trademarks state by state. And who knows, with the help of ChatGPT, you may just discover a one-of-a-kind name and slogan that could make you a tidy profit on Fiverr. So, why not give it a shot and make your business stand out from the crowd? Crypto for beginners. How does day trading work? A beginner's guide to crypto day trading. frugalforless.medium.com. 5. Translation services with ChatGPT. To accomplish a precise translation, various elements must be taken into account, including cultural nuances, technical terminology, audience and purpose. Through machine learning, ChatGPT can be trained to decipher the intricacies of different languages, but this process is time-consuming and costly. If you're looking to make a quick buck in the translation business, then offering translation as a service is the way to go. This type of translation doesn't require an in-depth understanding of cultural differences or idioms. By utilizing ChatGPT, you can easily translate manuals, product descriptions and training materials, which are vast opportunities. To assess ChatGPT's translation skills, choose a simple paragraph and translate it into another language. For instance, let's take a paragraph written in English translated into Spanish. To validate the accuracy of the translated text, you can compare it with Google Translate or have ChatGPT translate the text in Spanish to English. As seen in the example, the translation was spot on. This indicates that even without knowing your target language, you can still perform standard translations with ease. 6. Blogging. To create exceptional and one-of-a-kind content using ChatGPT, it's imperative to furnish the AI with comprehensive and well-defined instructions. This will enable the model to craft high-quality content that is distinct and reflects a specific viewpoint. When writing, be sure to clearly convey the direction you want the piece to take and provide any necessary background information. But don't forget, it's crucial to infuse your personal touch and perspective into the writing. Utilize originality.ai in order to ensure that your content is original and free of plagiarism. Curious to learn more? Check out this comprehensive guide on how to get started blogging. 12 side hustle ideas to earn extra cash, $2,000+/month. And you don't need experience to get started. frugalforless.medium.com. 7. Create web tools with simple code. ChatGPT is a multifaceted tool that goes beyond crafting lifelike text. Imagine having the ability to build custom web tools right at your fingertips. With ChatGPT, it's a reality. For instance, imagine your sales team having access to a calculator designed to determine commission. No need to rely on a web designer or pay for updates if commission rates fluctuate, as it's a quick and effortless process with ChatGPT. 8. Create social media posts. ChatGPT truly shines in the realm of social media, delivering exceptional results in the form of quick tweets, captivating Instagram captions, informative articles on LinkedIn and even scripts for TikTok. Whether it's brief messages or lengthy compositions, ChatGPT handles it all with lightning speed. A recent Facebook post demonstrated the amount of detail required, and ChatGPT delivered a solid foundation that just needed a bit of personalization through editing. Despite the occasional repetition of intro phrases, such as "Are you tired of?" the output was still impressive at first glance. However, with a bit of tweaking, it can be transformed into a truly unique and personalized creation. 101 best side hustles to earn extra cash, $2,000+/month. No experience necessary. frugalforless.medium.com. 9. Rewrite blog titles and blog posts. Elevating your existing blog post content has never been simpler. Let ChatGPT assist in optimizing your writing for increased online traffic. By researching the fundamentals of SEO, determining the appropriate keywords to incorporate and allowing the AI to handle the heavy lifting, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your blog's visibility. While the output may not be flawless, utilizing AI can greatly streamline the process of updating multiple blog posts, saving you valuable time. Don't miss out on the opportunity to offer your writing services and tap into the lucrative market of regularly revamping blog content. 10. Write bios and resumes. Job hunting can be a draining process. Even the preliminary steps before hitting submit can seem like a daunting task. To stay ahead of the game, consider these steps. Give your online presence a makeover by revitalizing your social media profiles. Revamp your resume to showcase your skills and experience in the best light. Personalize your resume for each unique job opportunity. 12 best side hustle ideas to earn an extra $2,000+ per month. No experience required. frugalforless.medium.com. 11. Create an online course and sell it on learning platforms. Transform your course creation process with the power of ChatGPT. Impress your audience with dynamic outlines and promotional materials generated by this AI tool. And enhance the experience with multimedia content from video generation platforms like Synthesia. Offer your course on top e-learning platforms like Udemy, Skillshare and Thinkific to reach a wider audience. Get ready to design a 3-week, 3 hours per day course on making money with ChatGPT that will leave a lasting impact. Let ChatGPT be your sidekick in this educational endeavor. 12. Offer travel itinerary services. Keep in mind, ChatGPT's database only stretches up until 2021, so don't expect the most up-to-date information. However, its vast knowledge of cultures, nations and geography still makes it a valuable tool for travel planning. Visualize the adventure of exploring new destinations. Let ChatGPT be your travel guru. By simply chatting with it, you can craft and perfect a unique itinerary tailored to your preferences. Its ability to create a travel plan with ease and interactivity is unmatched. Use ChatGPT's output for a jump-off point and then add the latest details on logistics and costs to make your trip a reality. The end result will be a stunning travel plan that's almost good to go. With ChatGPT by your side, you can turn your passion for travel into a profitable venture by planning itineraries for others. How I make $2,400 per month teaching English online. Most native English speakers will qualify. frugalphorless.medium.com. Final thoughts on using ChatGPT for income. Unleash the infinite earning potential with ChatGPT. With its vast capabilities, the sky's the limit for your imagination and resourcefulness. AI advancements can be intimidating for some, as the age-old question remains, will robots replace human jobs? Well, it's a double-edged sword. While some industries may suffer job loss, it also creates new opportunities for job creation, like in the field of prompt engineering. Keep in mind, while access to ChatGPT is free at the moment, it won't last forever. Monetization is on the horizon, with big players like Microsoft investing in OpenAI to integrate the technology into their products and offer it as a platform to other companies. Act fast and strike while the iron's hot. The opportunity to monetize ChatGPT won't wait. To read